Good evening everyone, my name is Vinay. I am from Sajapur, Madhya Pradesh. I did 10 plus 2 from MP board with 81% marks. I did NCC A certificate with grading level A from 4 MP Battalion NCC Bhopal. I did BSc from MG College, that's under Barkatullah University. My hobbies are listening songs and reading newspaper. I want to join Indian Air Force for a badge of dignity and for a disciplined life. The topic of discussion is city life versus village life. If a person or a citizen lives in city or village, then we can say the city life and village life. As you all know about the definition of city life and village life, but there are lots of perspectives that creates a difference between the city life and village life. The importance of city life, such as the schools, good schools are available there. The coachings such as competition coachings and other coachings are available there in the city area. And the shops and the markets are also, lots of markets, lots of shops are available in the city areas. And as we all know that the government hospitals, city hospitals, civil hospitals are available in the city areas, but that are not available in the village or remote areas from the cities. And there are more some perspectives of village areas, such as by living a village there is a less pollution in the village areas. Because of lack of pollution, the people of the village suddenly or in a few cases faces the problems of breathing or any pollution regarding problems. Or there is lots of trees and lots of walking place in the village areas. And there is no any garbage, a heap of garbage anywhere in the village areas. In the village areas, people are every people in a village is touchable to everyone, know everyone, love among them. And such is not happening in the city areas. And in village areas, the people, but there are some disadvantage in living a village in the present time. Only a few, such as by living a village, the people has not the proper facility. If there is not any government hospital, if there is not any electronic Madhya Pradesh electronic board or any city electronic board office to pay electricity bill or anything. And in village areas, there are not much shops available to buy anything in the village. Need to go out from the village for the shopping in the city areas. And in the big cities and big villages, in some big villages there are the things available. There are no theaters available in the village areas. And there are no proper awareness among the people of village about the education, about the empowerment of women, about the girls education. And there are no coachings available. If the girls want to study in the village, then he need to go outside. But because of the wrong traditions of our society, the girls cannot go out where it is also affecting the growth of our nation. And women empowerment, and also increasing the rate of unemployment among the women, because the women are not able to go outside. Most of about lots of women are not able to go outside for higher studies in the college for the big cities, because the family members or the father or mother are not trusted upon them. In village areas, there are bal vivah tradition is also going on. That's also hampering the growth of our country. But if we talk about our country's progress, then both the city and village areas are concernable. In village areas, farmers are working day and night, work for our country. They are also doing great as their level in the village. In city areas, lots of businessmen are paying taxes, doing great for our country's progress. But the proper facilities should be available to farmers are not available in the village areas in the present time. So government need to aware the people to the proper education, to the proper healthcare system to the village people, to the proper employment system, that how can we employ, how can they start any startup from the village areas in this modern time, in this the time of digitalization. And government need to aware them that how can they avail of the government's opportunities, because they are deprived, lots of people deprived from the government's things or government's opportunities or the schemes launched by government in the village areas. So they need to be aware, then they need to go to the politics or any sarpanch panch to of the panchayat and tell him about his services provided by the government. So by doing this we can we can make more empower a village than city. And by doing this, if both are empowered, village and city, then our country's progress will be very high, and we will soon be a developed country. Thank you. Jai Hind.